A November security patch update is rolling out for the Motorola G85 model. Watch this video to know more about this update, including any issues after using it for a few hours, followed by Geekbench scores and a user review. Coming to the update size, it is 89.12 MB. The update process takes a lot more time than you might expect, guys. There are several steps it goes through, and once everything is completed, we can restart the mobile phone. Do note that do not press any buttons while the update is in progress. Motorola comes with good design and hardware, but when it comes to software updates, they tend to have a lot of bugs over time. However, I'm observing that slowly they have started improving and delivering better quality updates these days. Alright, after updating the mobile, I used it for a few hours. Coming to the changelog and issues, there are none. My device is working exactly the same as before. Next, coming to the Geekbench scores, here are the before and after results. As you can see, the scores are almost the same. So finally, yes, you can update the mobile with the latest security patch.